Hello guys, so we're going to get breaking news from Sky Sports journalist Florian Plettenberg. Say Arsenal they already make an offer they get. So Noni Madueke will be one of the wingers of Chelsea. In fact, this news now within the last 30 or 40 minutes they just drop them after they already released our morning show. They can't drop this one. So I think I cannot wait till evening. So Florian Plettenberg is reporting that I understand Arsenal have already submitted an offer to Noni Madueke, 23-year-old winger who could leave Chelsea in this summer. Talks have started already. Now, Madueke is one of the several top-profile Arsenal are assessing for this position. Arsenal are still considering a transfer for Rodrigo should he wish to leave Real Madrid. Now, Rodrigo and Madueke are two different positions because after Florian Plettenberg dropped this news, some people don't really comprehend what's in the talk here. They think maybe they talk say, well, we no want go for Rodrigo again and Madueke won't go. No, when you read it, you see that there are two different stories. Madueke is one of several top profiles Arsenal assessing for this position. Full stop. Then again, a different story again. Arsenal are still considering a transfer because when you look at it, first off, Madueke plays Saka side. Rodrigo say na left in one play. If he won't play Saka side, now out of position in go dey. And if person they run away from Real Madrid, saying they compete with Aragula, they compete with maybe Franco Mastantuono, you know, be defeated. She na Bukayo Saka won't come bench. So even they come out now on the left, the one player, Madueke is seen as Bukayo Saka cover, which is why I don't really understand why people are against this deal. Now, I say make I ask. Please, can you tell me now the same way? Don't forget this other person they ask that kind of thing. This same question on Twitter. Why don't you like Madueke? Apart from saying maybe they come from Chelsea, give me another sporting reason. Give me another good reason why you don't want somebody like Madueke to be on the bench in case we want rest Saka. Say okay, Saka we can't chill. They enter. Apart from the fact that maybe you want to make it the one that be Bukayo Saka cover. Give me another logical, critical reason. Get if there's a word like that. Why you don't want to see Madueke? Because for me, I think he's good for squad depth. Forget saying they come from Chelsea. The only reason why Georgia, you get the guy is good. He's still developing. He's 23 years old. He has a very good left foot. The wipe shot from outside. He score screamers. So why won't you like? I see many complain on social media. I don't want Chelsea. I don't want Chelsea. Papa, Chelsea don't turn shop right now. People they go the price players. How much this? How much last? How much last? Look at how many wingers Chelsea they bring on. Obviously, gonna say the ones who did themselves go need to leave. That's what it will be. So this is a breaking news, a developing story. Then as time goes on, we will get more and much needed clarity. Talks have begun. So in coming days, we will know where the talk will end. But I'm very, very happy to say, apart from one beef up left, we still want beef up the right. This right to the one beef up now. It's not like our priority. Our priority is like the striker and left winger. But that does not mean we should not get a cover if the opportunity arises, because Chelsea are signing with reckless abandon, signing anybody they can get their hands on. They want to even sign Garnacho again. So those ones who one day they will go there unhappy because of playing time, we can welcome them and say, come over here and sit on the bench and give us depth. That's what them. So they hear. I just they do. This is the way. So for those that maybe are not happy with this deal, let me know why, so that we'll have a constructive dialogue. That's what it just be. All right, guys, as we were.